If I wanted to convince someone to join the camp staff, I think I would say that even though the work is really hard, it's 100 times more rewarding.
It's a great chance to really hone in on the best parts of yourself.
You can get paid to do fun shenanigans all day.
Being able to create those magic moments to inspire them to have more confidence.
It's just really wonderful to get to create that magic over and over again for a different group every week. That's why I keep coming back.